In this video, I'm going to show you how I use AI to clean up a messy CSV file. And the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm just going to upload this file over here. And then essentially we're just going to read in all of those rows, as you can see here. And then we're going to aggregate that and then hand it over to the AI agent as a stringified JSON. And then essentially output it over here once the AI agent is done. And there you go. Here's the output. ID, country. As you can see here, everything is here. And if I go over here, you will then see that it said column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But now we change those to actually columns that make sense based on the available data we have over here. And what I will say is that the good thing with this solution is the fact that you can essentially upload any files, like a CSV file in this case, and have essentially read it in with this spreadsheet file, and then essentially do whatever you want with the data. In this case, I'm using this AI agent to work through my data. That's one way you could do it, but you could also, I mean, right now I could essentially go Google Sheet, append to row in Sheet, and then I could just append all of those results in a sheet, right? Because it's cleaned up, like it's already done right now. And that's kind of the thing that, I wanted to show in this video actually. And if you didn't know, this is a very helpful node, spreadsheet file. The only thing that is kind of annoying is that I don't think you can, for some reason, I don't see it when I search for a spreadsheet file. I had to essentially copy it from a forum to get it inside. So I don't know why I don't see it here at all, but yeah. But I will drop it in the comments so you can easily copy it. But yeah, it's a helpful node at least to have, and you don't need to install anything extra to use this. From the nodes pane, I mean, if it was there for sure, that's the thing. But either way, that's one way I go about cleaning up a messy file. And if you like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.